Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video we'll show you what to do if your TCL TV remote is not working all of a sudden. So the obvious reason why your remote may not work is if the batteries are depleted, but if the issue persists even after you replace the batteries, there is this one fix that you can try. For this, first go ahead and remove the battery from your TCL remote. So remove the back cover by sliding it downwards and then remove the batteries from the remote. After you have removed the battery, you will need to press and hold the power button on your TCL TV remote for at least 15 seconds. This will drain any additional power that may be causing the problem. After you have done this, simply press every button on your TCL TV remote to make sure it is not stuck. Sometimes this can happen if you have used your TCL TV remote while eating or drinking or spilled any water on it. So make sure you do that. After that, put the batteries back in and try using your TCL remote. This should solve your problem. There is also a way to check if the remote is working properly or not. So for this, hold your TCL TV remote like this. Now you can put your phone's camera in front of it. Once you do, try pressing any of the buttons on your remote. You should see this LED light. You won't be able to see this LED light with your naked eyes, but your phone's camera can detect it. So this is an easy way to check if the remote is working itself. If the remote is not responding at all, you may need to replace it. If you have any questions about this, feel free to ask them in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe.